Twitter just announced Twitter Blue, which is a subscription service for Twitter, just launched in the US today, and it's also available in New Zealand, Canada, and Australia at the time that I'm recording this. Now, Twitter Blue gives you access to a bunch of new features that are not available to free accounts. And this blog post from Twitter will tell you more if you want more details than what I'm covering in this video. So I'll put a link below. But in this video, I want to show you exactly how to subscribe to this new service from Twitter called Twitter Blue. And I'll show you some of the benefits of that as well. Let's jump in here to the Twitter app. Twitter Blue right now, as long as you update your app, should be available on iOS, on Android, and on the web as well at twitter.com. On the Twitter mobile app here, I'm going to press my profile icon over here to get access to this page, and Twitter Blue should be right here under bookmarks. So I'm going to press it over here, and you could subscribe at the time that I'm recording this for $2.99 per month. This may change later though. This is the introductory price as they put it here. And some of the benefits is one of the biggest requested things for Twitter is to undo tweet, which is not available on the free account. This upgrade makes it available to you. You also have all these other options. Some of them are getting news without the noise. So this is ad-free articles. You no longer will see ads when you read from popular US-based publishers. You also get a different customization option. So you could bookmark folders. You have different custom navigation and custom app icons. You could also pin conversations. And you could also upload longer videos, which could come in really, really handy. Those are the big updates when you subscribe here. This could change social media landscape though if other apps also pick up a subscription model to give you access to some things that the free model doesn't have. So to subscribe, you just subscribe from this page. Again, if you don't see this page yet, make sure you update your Twitter app and then just wait. This is brand new as I'm recording this video. I'm gonna subscribe. And it looks like it works as an in-app subscription here on my iPhone, and you could cancel anytime under your Apple ID. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and agree to that for $2.99 a month. And purchase complete. So if I press OK here, I now have Twitter Blue on my account. So I'm going to press OK. And here with the Twitter Blue, it's going to show me all the different features that I get, which I mentioned some of these here. You also get access to Twitter Labs. So you can see some of the features they're testing out at free sites and articles. That's very useful here, and a bunch of other options that you could see. If you ever decide to cancel, press your profile icon here. Twitter Blue will show up on top, and then there's an option over here that's going to tell you how you subscribed under manage subscription. So you could jump in there here, and it's going to tell you where you subscribed. In my case, I have to cancel from my Apple ID menu. So if I click this, it will take me to that page to cancel my Twitter Blue subscription. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.